Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD. This is just a very quick tutorial on how to use PowerPoint to record your screen. So if you go to, from home, you go to Insert and you click Screen Recording. It brings up this little toolbar here where you've got pause, and obviously I'm recording this video using PowerPoint. You select your screen area, and if you want the audio to be included and if you want it to record the pointer. So it then puts the video in the slide for you. So if I press play there, this is a little video I made of a 3D model to put in a presentation. If you don't want to use the video in a presentation, you can right click, go save as media and save it as an MP4 file and use it in different programs. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.